Hi everyone. So today I'm going to put together another Easter cupcake. I'm using a nozzle I've never used before today. So let's see how that works out. I'm using my normal, here it is, here's the nozzle. Lots and lots of little holes. Hopefully it should make grass. Apparently, oh it does, look. Oh, that's lovely. So just bear with me while I go around. You go around the cake with this. It makes lovely little bits of Easter grass. Hopefully you can see that okay there. We'll do the bits in the middle. There we go. Oh, even I'm impressed with that. There's our Easter grass. There we go. And then we have some tiny little, actually what we'll put on first is we'll put on our Easter bunny. So I made these little Easter bunnies out of fondant. And there they are, bunny bums. And I added some edible glitter as well, just to add to them, make them look a little bit prettier. Make sure we've got the seam of the cup there. And we'll pop him on there. So he looks like he's going into the ground. I've got some little fondant flowers which are made with these really handy little tools which you can get online. So just pop it in and then pop it out. And they're really handy. Do them in any colours you wish. So I'm just going to put a yellow one on. And I've got a little pink, tiny pink ones as well. That actually came in a set of 3 different sizes. You can pick those up from eBay or anywhere like that really. And there you go. A nice little Easter cupcake. So these are really easy to make. Handmade those, and just with a little bit of edible glue and then edible glitter on there as well. So happy baking. Happy Easter. Bye.